Hey guys, so the OnePlus Ace 2 will be launching in China on February 7th. It's also going to be launching as the OnePlus 11R globally. According to OnePlus, the new phone would set a new benchmark for performance in the smartphone market. In terms of design, the OnePlus Ace 2 is analogous to the OnePlus 11. It features a similar camera module as the OnePlus 11, which is inspired by a black hole. The module houses 3 cameras and a flash. The device also features the iconic alert slider. In terms of features and specs, the OnePlus Ace 2 is expected to have a large 6.7-inch fluid AMOLED display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, and it supports HDR10+. The device is also protected by Gorilla Glass, which provides extra protection against scratches and cracks. Now, I do not know the exact version of Gorilla Glass, but that will be revealed very soon. The Ace 2 runs on ColorOS 13 based on Android 13, but the global version, which is going to be launching as the OnePlus 11R, will run Oxygen OS 13. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is a powerful chip that is capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. It also comes equipped up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. As mentioned earlier, the OnePlus Ace 2 features triple cameras, a 50MP primary camera, it's a wide-angle camera, and it's the Sony IMX890 sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro lens, providing users with a wide range of options for capturing photos. Its max video recording is set to be 4K. The phone also features a 16MP front camera for producing high-quality selfies and video calls. The phone will be backed up by a 5000 mAh battery, and it's going to support 100 watts super fast charging. Insane. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, and has stereo speakers, providing users with a high quality audio experience. The phone will be available in black and other colors, and like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be launching on February 7th. In conclusion, the OnePlus Ace 2 is going to be a well-rounded smartphone that offers a combination of powerful specs, impressive camera capabilities, and a user-friendly operating system. It is expected to be a popular choice among smartphone users who are looking for a powerful and feature-packed device. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about the OnePlus Ace 2, so make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. Perfect.